Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, I'm Yusuf and you are watching 5 Minutes Information channel. This is episode number 99 and in this episode I will talk about the library software. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. In this video, library software part 1, I will talk about the two main points. Number 1, what is library software or library management system? And number 2, what are the main characteristics of library management system or library software? A library software is a complete management of library system having module of library material, cataloging, circulation, serial publication, and OPEC. Library software is also referred as a library system or library automation system or integrated library system or library management software. Libraries always depend upon the library management system to manage collection as well as patron records. Library management system help libraries to keep track of their collection inventory and loan and patron subscription and up-to-date patron profiles and sometime for the multiple physical locations. Library software depend upon the user needs and library types. We have used different types of software as per the need of the library, like in academic libraries like school, college and university. There are different types of library softwares are used. Similarly, in public library and special library, there are different types of softwares are used. Library management system is helpful from the patron ends to find the library material, to reserve the library material, to send the reminder when the library material is due. From the staff and library management system employed to help and manage the acquisition of library material, cataloging and inventory of the library records or material. Point number 2, what are the characteristics of the library management system, library software or library automation? There are 5 main characteristics of library management system or library software. Number 1, library software has ability to store and manage and retrieve the library material information on different types of library materials like books, e-book, thesis, dissertation, and etc. Point number 2, manage the library patron or member information including profiles, current and previous material borrowing history, payments of late fine and reserve of the library material. Number 3, library management system allow users to find the information from public sources like OPEC, online public access catalog. Number 4, manage the library material circulations, detail and existing library material records and inventory of the library material or stock taking of the library material whenever required by the library management. Number 5th characteristics of library management software is provide statistical data on the provide statistical data of circulation, desk, library inventory, late returns, fine or loss of library material. Here I conclude the episode number 99, Library Software Part 1. In this episode, I discuss two main points. Number one, what are the library management software? And number two, what are the characteristics of library management software? Stay connected. I will back soon with library management software part 2. Thanks for watching till the end.